So good morning, everyone. Today we are going to continue the same lesson, computer fundamental. Okay. In the last class, we already study about these topics, like about computer, what is computer, this definition of the computer hardware and software. Okay. Then we study about the how many types of hardware parts in computer, right? Like we have two types of computer hardware parts, components and peripheral, and then we have two types of peripherals also, internal and external peripheral, and then we have two types of external peripheral, that is input and output device. We study about that, right? Now we are going to continue the same topic. Okay, now about the software. Okay, so we take a new page here. Software, we already studied about the software. So in the definition we can write this: software is a set of programs or instructions given to the computer to perform a specific task. ये तो क्या software का definition. And how many types of software we have? We have two types of software. One is system software. Another is the application software. Okay. Before going to explain you about the system software and application software, the definition I want to explain you ना कि actually ये system software और application software होता क्या है, right? We can compare the computer same with our human body also, right? Like human body, you can compare like a computer system, computer all the hardware parts. Okay, and the software, okay, system software and application software, you can compare the system software as a soul of the body. Okay, and the application software, you can say the senses. Okay, like if we have eye, so we can see; if we have hands, so we can hold anything; if we have legs, so we can go anywhere, we can walk. Okay, same with the computer also. If we have different application software, so we can do different types of work. Like if we have Photoshop, so we can do photo editing. If we have Cordo, so we can do make some posters or the other things. If we have Excel software, so we can do data entry work. If we have game in our computer, so we can play game in the computer. But suppose we don't have Photoshop or we don't have Cordo software, then also we can work on computer, right? Like if we don't have Photoshop, so we cannot do photo editing, but we can do another work. Okay, but if there is a no system software in a computer, so computer will not work. Okay, we need at least one system software in computer, like Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows XP, Windows Vista. Okay, these all are example of the system software. So we need at least one system software in computer to operate. I think, is it clear to everyone? Am I right? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Okay, so I think all of you got the difference between the system software and application software, right? So now we can write here the definition of also. Or I'll just wait. See the definition given here also. Software is a set of programs or instruction given to a computer to perform a specific task. It is mainly two types of system software and the application software. Okay, it's given in your book. System software. What is system software? System software is a program that manages and supports the operation of a computer system. It's mean कंप्यूटर का जितना भी ऑपरेशन होता है वो सब किसके थ्रू होता है? सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू. हाउ टू कंप्यूटर स्टार्ट, हाउ विल शट डाउन, all the things are managed by the system software. Okay, it executes various tasks such as processing data and information, controlling hardware components, and allowing user to the application system software also. Okay, if you want to install also application software, so for that we need one platform, and that platform is provided by the system software. Okay, in system software there's two types. Okay, one is the operating system software, another is the utility software. So operating system software is Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows Unix, Alex, HP, Windows XP, Windows Vista 7. You can say these all are example of operating system software. Okay, and there's a utility software also. Utility software means the other software which helps to the computer to work. Okay, or maybe you can say like that. If you're going to purchase a new printer from the market, so if you're going to connect that printer from the computer, it will not work because the computer doesn't have any information about that printer machine. So with that printer machine, the company they give you one CD also, software CD, so you have to install that CD in the computer, then only printer will work. Okay, so that software is called the utility software. Sometime web camera and other things, all of you connected with the computer, so this is some software they give now with that. So that software is called the utility software. Okay, next is the application software. Application software is a computer program designed to help the user to perform a different task. It's mean this application software is for user. It's mean it's for help us. Okay, it is not a requirement of the computer. The application software is requirement for the us, because we want to work on computer like a Photoshop, we want to edit the photo, or we want to play the game, so we need particular that's application software. Okay, but which is the most important for the computer system, computer hardware part, that is the system software. System software means the that Windows XP, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows Vista, all of that, any one of the software it's need the computer to operate. अगर आपके कंप्यूटर में सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है, इट्स मीन देयर इज नो विंडो, सो यू कैन नॉट वर्क ऑन द कंप्यूटर. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ठीक है. तो ये ध्यान रखना, ठीक है. अच्छा, I already shared this thing in a WhatsApp group, and I will share again because after share this pages in a WhatsApp group, I add some more students, right? So I will share again the same. So the new student will get again the same file. Okay. So now we are going to study about the computer fundamentals. What is computer fundamentals? I mean the history of the computer, or the it's about the all the things about the computer parts. ना कि computer कैसे बनाया था. So you know the computer is not a invention of one day, right? It takes too much time to make a computer. कंप्यूटर को बनाने में बहुत सारा टाइम लगा था, ठीक है. और कंप्यूटर एक कोई एक पार्ट नहीं है, बहुत सारा कंप्यूटर का जो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स है वो सब मिलके असेंबल होकर एक कंप्यूटर सिस्टम बनाता है, राइट? Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. You're right.
Okay, okay,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो ये भी आप थोड़ा थोड़ा बहुत स्टडी करना, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ ऐसे, ठीक है. कंप्यूटर में क्या क्या होता है, लाइक रैम होता है, सीपीयू है, बहुत सारा कंप्यूटर का पार्ट्स है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट, राइट? तो we will learn about all the parts one by one. Okay, parts of computer. एक क्या होता है, monitor. The main part is the monitor, right? Without monitor we cannot see anything, and monitor is a display unit, right? And there's two types of monitors, CRT and LCD. This kind of question will come in your exam also, that how many types of monitors. So you can say two types, CRT and the LCD. And don't forget the definition. CRT means the cathode ray tube, okay? Not definition, the full name. CRT means the cathode ray tube, and LCD is the liquid crystal display. And those students who are enrolled for the NOS, also data entry, class 10 to 12, so they also memorize this full name, right? This question can come in their exam also. तो एक मॉनिटर होता है, मॉनिटर क्या काम करता है, मॉनिटर विल गिव यू डिस्प्ले ऑफ ऑल द वर्क्स ऑन कंप्यूटर। आप कंप्यूटर पे जो भी काम करोगे ये आपको डिस्प्ले शो करता है, राइट? एंड द अनदर पार्ट इज द माउस। माउस का काम क्या होता है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ माउस वी कैन सेलेक्ट, वी कैन मूव एनी फाइल और फोल्डर एनीवेयर, राइट? सो यू कैन रीड ऑल द डेफिनेशन, ये सब डेफिनेशन आप पढ़ना घर पे, ठीक है? आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीड वन बाय वन सेंटेंस, आप ये घर पे पढ़ सकते हो। आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन ऑल द थिंग्स, राइट? सो माउस का यूज किस लिए होता है, टू सेलेक्ट ए फाइल, टू मूव ए फाइल, आप माउस का यूज कर सकते हो, ठीक है? माउस ऐसे क्लिक करके उसको कहीं भी उठा के रख सकते हो इजीली। इज इट क्लियर? इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And it's about the function of the mouse. Mouse में क्या क्या function होता है? The three buttons the mouse, right click, left click and the center button. Center button used for the scroll the page for up and down, right? And the most of the time we have to use the left button of the mouse, okay? We have to press left button to select a folder or open the folder. If you want to select, so just click one time. If you want to open the folder, then click two times. And if you want to see the property of any folder or file, so you have to press the right button of the mouse. You have to click on the right button, then you will get some option, then you can choose, okay? And there's a two types of sign, cursor on the mouse. ये तीन तरह का cursor show करता है आपको. This is a sign of hyperlink, और ये होता है एरो साइन। अगर आप एरो को ऐसे मूव करते हो एंड वी आर टाइपिंग समथिंग, सो इट विल कम लाइक दिस, आई arrow sign, okay? So the three signs will come a different time, different work, okay? This for hyperlink, this hand sign, and this sign will come while you are typing, and this for when you are moving your mouse here or there, na, like that, ठीक है? चलते हैं, okay? The same thing is written here, you can read, huh? I told you, if you want to open a folder, double click, right click to see the properties and all the things, okay? And with the left you can drag any folder or file, huh? Now the keyboard. What is the use of keyboard? Keyboard help us to type anything, right? If you want to type anything, so who will help us? The keyboard. Okay? And in the keyboard, different keyboard has different button. Like some keyboard have more than 100 buttons. There's some multimedia keyboard also. There's lots of options are available there. Okay? बहुत सारे options होता है. So while we learn about the MS Office, then I will going to explain about the keyboard keys also. Okay? Not right now. जैसे कीबोर्ड्स ना बटन्स के बारे में लिखा हुआ है कि विच कीज फॉर विच वर्क, लाइक फंक्शन कीज फ्रॉम F1 टू F12, नेविगेशन की, होम की, पेज की, ये सब हम पढ़ेंगे व्हेन वी वर्क ऑन द MS वर्ड, ओके? सो नाउ प्रिंटर। प्रिंटर मशीन क्या करता है? ए प्रिंटर इज ए पेरिफेरल डिवाइस, प्रिंटर इज आल्सो पेरिफेरल डिवाइस, आई टोल्ड यू. Why it is peripheral? Because it is connected to the motherboard with the help of wire. That's why it is called peripheral device, okay? So which is attached to the computer to produce written material or graphics on a paper. It's mean whatever you write on your computer with the help of keyboard, so with the help of printer you can get print out, okay? On a paper it will come all the print जो भी आपने टाइप किया होगा, ठीक है? Printers are one of the most used peripherals on computer, used to print text, images, or photos. With the help of printer, you can print the text also, you can print images also, and photos also. Okay, and there are different types of printer like dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, laser printer. thermal printer and line printer. Okay, so जनरली इन द ऑफिसेज ऑल द पीपल दे आर यूजिंग द लेजर प्रिंटर, क्योंकि इसका कॉस्टिंग बहुत कम आता है और इसमें इजीली बहुत फास्ट प्रिंट होता है, ठीक है। एंड व्हेन यू वांट टू टेक कलर प्रिंट, सो यू हैव टू यूज द इंजेक्ट प्रिंटर। और जहाँ पे यू कैन सी इन अ बैंक्स ना, बैंक में ज्यादातर डॉट मैट्रिक्स प्रिंटर यूज होता है, और अलग अलग काम के लिए अलग अलग प्रिंटर होता है, थर्मल प्रिंटर, लाइन प्रिंटर, there's a different printer. Dot matrix printer, you can see this printer used in the banks. Inkjet printer used for the printing the photos. When you go to the any photo studio and you ask them na, so I need urgent photograph, passport size photograph, so please give me print. So they do print on the same printer machine, inkjet printer, okay. And the laser printer, this one is the laser printer, इसमें बहुत फास्ट स्पीड में प्रिंट होता है। ओके, स्कैनर मशीन, स्कैनर मशीन क्या करता है, सपोज यू हैव योर सर्टिफिकेट्स, ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड यू वांट टू सेंड समवन थ्रू द ईमेल, सो स्कैनर क्या करता है, स्कैनर विल क्लिक ए पिक्चर, ओके। स्कैनर क्या करेगा, उस डॉक्यूमेंट का एक पिक्चर क्लिक करेगा एंड देन इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू सॉफ्ट कॉपी, और एक फोटो बना के दे देगा। देन यू कैन सेंड दैट फाइल टू एनीवन ना, इन अ पीडीएफ फॉर्मेट और जेपीजी फॉर्मेट। सो दिस इज द वर्क ऑफ द स्कैनर। नाउ द स्पीकर, स्पीकर का काम क्या होता है, if there's a something music or any audio in your computer, so you can listen that with the help of speaker, it produce the sound, okay. History of the computer, okay. So I already told you computer is not an invention of one day, okay. After a long process, long invention, they make one computer. So this is about the computer. At the first, they made one calculating machine. The name of that machine was the abacus. The name of that machine was the abacus. The first calculating machine name is the abacus. This question comes so many times in the exam. What is the name of the first calculating machine? So you can say your answer should be abacus, and don't forget the spelling. Don't do mistake, okay? Then after abacus, they made the Napier's bone. Napier's bone, okay. There's a one machine, the name of the machine was the Napier bones, okay. Napier's bones was a mechanical device built for the purpose of multiplication. This abacus machine used for only for the counting number, only for counting the numbers, but after that they need one machine which they can use for the multiplication also, so they made the Napier's bone machine. And who invented this machine? An English mathematician, John Napier. In which year? In the year 1617, okay. And the purpose to make that machine for multiplication, okay. And after that Napier's bone machine, they made one machine, its name is its name was the slide rule, okay. And slide rule was developed by the English mathematician Edmund Guntur in the 16th century. In the 16th century, he made this machine, okay. And what is the use of that machine? This machine used for the operations like addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division. Four types of calculation are done by that machine. कौन कौन सा होता था? एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन। ये सारा का सारा कैलकुलेशन होता था स्लाइड रूल के ऊपर, ओके। एंड इट वाज यूज्ड extensively till late 1970, and this machine used till the 1970, okay. And after that they made one more machine. The name of that machine was the punch card system, okay. And the punch card system was developed by the Jacquard. The punch card system was developed by the Jacquard. Please ये names अच्छे से आप लोग learn कर लेना, ठीक है, but because this question will comes in your exam, okay. So punch card system was developed by the Jacquard to control the power loom. And when this machine invented in the year in the year 1801, okay. And this machine was used to only calculate the 0 and 1, okay. Mm, holes in the punch card, and the 0, it calculate only the 0 and 1. And I will explain you what is 0 and 1 in the computer. This is the binary language, 0 and 1. 0 means current off and 1 means the current on. I will explain it in the next class, okay. Not in next class, maybe in the next to next. Okay. And after all this invention, there's a one again. There's a one person, Englishman. His name was a Charles Babbage. Okay, he made one mechanical device. He built a mechanical device to do complex calculation. He made one machine, and the name of that machine was the com difference machine. The name of that machine is the difference machine, and he invented this machine in the 1823 and used this machine used for the complex calculation. Okay, name of the person Charles Babbage. Please इसका spelling ठीक से याद करें ना. Whenever this question comes in your exam at who about this name, so some of the people they write Charlie Baba, Charlie Babbage, Charlie Bag ऐसे लिखता है. ठीक है, तो प्लीज ये नेम ठीक से लिखना आप लोग. ठीक है, स्पेलिंग. So Charles Babbage made one machine for complex calculation in the year 1823, and the name of that machine was the difference machine. And because that machine, Charles Babbage is also called father of the computer. Okay, Charles Babbage is known as the father of the computer. Okay, Charles Babbage को father of computer बोलते थे. And the development discussed above resulted to the development of the first computer in the 1940. ये सारा जो invention हुआ, all this development, after that they made first computer in the year 1940. Okay, after all this development, all the research. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So till now, any
Yes, teacher.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
any confusion till now? अभी तक कोई confusion, कोई doubt किसी को?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, then good.
Which name we should remember?
Yeah, please memorize all these names and dates, because this kind of question will come in your exam.